Hi everyone, today's video will show you how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. As you can see on the screen, we have many tabs open here. Now when you close the Chrome browser and you open it again, you would notice that all tabs have been closed. Now, to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome, you click on the three dots beside. You click on the three dots at the top of the screen, locate and click on Settings. Then you click on Start Up. Choose the option to continue where you left off. You click on it. Now let's try opening up another tab. You can open up any tab you want. After we have opened up the tabs, now let's try closing it. Then we'll log in back into the Google Chrome, and you can see that all the tabs are still there. They have been restored back without being closed.